Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now imagine getting to give advice to a 10-year younger version of yourself. How awesome would that be? You'd be mega rich, wouldn't you? Because you'd be able to give all that advice and you'd be able to buy every dream motorcycle you've ever thought about. It could be incredible. Well, I might have just been given that opportunity. So cue the intro. Well, last night I was drinking far too many beers, chilling out watching a proper old classic film, where this dude bangs his head, comes up with this thing called the flux capacitor, drives an old car to 88 miles an hour and ping goes back in time. And I was thinking to myself, how cool would it be if that happened to me? I banged my head, I came up with a flux capacitor and I went back in time doing 88 miles an hour on the monkey bike. It would be incredible. But then I thought, stop being silly and go to bed. Well, I went to bed and I heard a weird banging noise. It made me jump and I went, oh my God, what is that? And I was thinking someone was robbing my bike. And I was like, no. And I ran downstairs and there was nothing. And I was like, oh, thank goodness for that. It's fine, the bike's fine, everything's good. I went back upstairs, but being at the age that I am now at 40, I was like, I need a wee. I get up multiple times for a wee. It happens, just trust me, it happens. And you get up a lot, especially after drinking beer. So I went to go to the loo and on the toilet seat was a little white box and a note like this. Now this little white box says Time Buds. I was like, ooh, cool. And then I saw a note and the note said, Dear Helmet Head, I love your YouTube channel so much that I've decided to make your dreams come true. I have given you Time Buds. Time Buds will let you speak to your old self for one time only, for a very limited time. Make your dreams come true. You are awesome. You're a superstar. I love you. Kiss, 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 kiss. The big man. Bit weird with a big kiss, 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 kiss. But how cool is that? So I was like, I've got Time Buds. This is a joke, right? Somebody's broken in and they've stuck that in there and they think I'm that silly that I'm going to make a video completely made up about going back in time. But I thought I'd give it a go. So the instructions that I received for these were in Chinese, but I used Google Translate and I translated it to say, once you place these in your ears, you will magically be able to have the 10-year younger version of yourself appear until the batteries run out. And they don't last long because they were cheap. But I just thought, I've got to give this a go. So let's get, oh, I don't think that's supposed to come off. Let's put these in my ears. Let's see if I can speak to the 10-year younger version of me. And let's see if he wants to listen to some very important advice. Here we go. Let's pop that down. I hope this doesn't hurt. I really hope this doesn't hurt. Let's see if this works. Who the frick are you? I'm you in 10 years time. Nah. You're fat and you've got a beard. Dude, beard, no, but I hate beards. Nah. Okay, look, so no need to lose the attitude, dude. Seriously, lose the attitude. You've got to listen to me very carefully. We do not have much time and I need to tell you about what's going to happen. 10 years has gone by. This is crucial to you being me. So listen very, very carefully. Listening? Yeah, but okay, so first of all, you are very shortly going to meet an absolutely beautiful Italian girl and you're going to marry her. I was just about to chat to a brunette at the bar that looks Italian. That's weird. So listen carefully, walk up to her now, get the shot and down it, and then trust me, it is all gravy from there. She might hate you for a while for doing that, but you'll worm your way back in, it'll all be good. Trust me on that. But listen. Most of all, you're going to come up to a decision to make, a YouTube channel, okay? And these things are going to happen. You are going to be rich, world famous, and you're going to be literally made into a lord. You're going to be Lord Helmet Head. Well, I've got to say, that all sounds really, really, really cool, but you could just give me, like, the lottery numbers, or who wins the Grand National, and I'll just put a massive bet on get loads of money and buy massive mansions and just buy the bikes I want. Listen, that's important. So you're going to be rich, famous, and you're going to become a lord. Well, actually, forget the rich bit. That's still to happen, but the rest of it will definitely happen. You'll be world famous throughout the entire. Everybody's going to know your name. Everybody's going to love you. People are going to worship you. You're going to have shrines in there. Okay, pay me. Not all of that, but they're going to really like the stuff that you do. So create the YouTube channel, and then, right, buy a monkey bike. Is that the monkey bike? Because I've got to say, it's cool, but yellow, really? Again, don't be rude. It's banana yellow because it's iconic, and all the other colours aren't iconic. So at the end of the day, buy the banana yellow. Don't try to be cool. Well, thanks, but I'm lose the beard, dude. You look old. Now, this is the big thing, okay? You will grow a beard. Beards are really, really cool. They make you look uber sexy. And not just that, right? Not just that. You also will buy a Harley. People will hate it, people will love it, but you will buy a Harley. No. Harleys is what old, fat people with beards ride. They ain't going to be me. I am not getting a Harley Davidson. There is no way. I'm a sports bike rider. I will be definitely buying a Fireblade next. It's as simple as that. Again, rude, but listen, you're going to make Harley cool again. Everybody in the world is going to want to buy a Harley Davidson Sportster just like this because it's absolutely awesome, and it's just cool. We are now the modern cool. Forget 10 years is a long time. Things change. Harleys are now cool. Forget sports bikes. It gives you a bad back, bad wrists, and you just make loads of noise, and you can't even do the speeds on them. Just buy the Harley. Trust me, it is uber cool. You become more sexy. Okay. Yeah. Also, because you're that famous now, literally everybody loves you. You get a sidekick. Your brother-in-law becomes your sidekick. Now you must treat him mean, but also show compassion and be gently nice to him. But keep him very mean and remind him that he's very grateful all the time to be part of this great YouTube channel that you've created, and he wouldn't be famous without you. And make sure he makes your coffees and things for you when you go on adventures, because that's basically his job. Don't let him for a minute think that he's better than you or a better rider or cool in any way. Make sure you keep yourself up there in every single way. That's really, really, really important. Oh, that feels funny. Oh, I can see the bar. Oh, no, hang on. What's going on? Oh, okay. We haven't got much time left. I haven't told you the lottery numbers. I'm not going to make you rich and tell you anything differently, because your life has to stay the same, because you're awesome. This life is awesome, and we're having a blast, and you need to live every single second that I lived, because that's what makes us the people that we are. Oh yeah, one more thing. You're gonna have 6 kids. Whoa, what? These are, they're getting hot. Ow. Oh, they're melting. Oh, I've got to clean that up. Well, how cool was that? And what an opportunity it was to speak to the 10-year younger version of me. Damn, I look good. There's no wonder so many ladies fancied me. Yeah. But most importantly, what this is all about is about explaining that a lot of people spend a lot of time in their lives thinking, what ifs, what buts, if I'd done this and if I changed that. And the reality of it is that we can't, unless you get earpods given to you from the big man who thinks you're absolutely awesome, who loves your YouTube channel. But what I'm trying to say is rock the person that you are, the person that you've become, and live every single day, because you don't know how long you've got, but what you can do is have a lot of fun while doing it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you when we take the bikes out on a crazy, crazy adventure next time. Take care. Bye-bye for now.